Hey, welcome to SpongeBob Glock SquarePants. I'm in SpongeBob SquarePants house and yeah, I definitely have a gun. This is great. Gary, hello. Did you really just shot your own pet snail? Yes, I did. Alright. I always wanted to shoot him though. Inspect. A pair of women's shoes. You're unsure whose they are. I can't see any shoes here. Oh no, I'm out. Oh no, oh, I got some more. Nice. Nice house. I can't believe I'm in SpongeBob real house. A pile of blow left on your counter from last night. You don't really remember much. What? Is that like cocaine? What is that? SpongeBob, don't do the cocaine. Okay, let's try to get out of this house. Leave. Can I shoot somebody? Wow! Oh my god! I'm in SpongeBob, like I'm SpongeBob. That sounds terrible, I know, but... Okay, where are we going? Let's go there. Can I shoot you, dude? I shot you. Loot. Steal stuff. Who else? Stop. Loot. Yeah, I'm getting stuff. I don't know what. Yo, is that Bubble Man? Talk. Hey, SpongeBob. I should probably run because you're looking sharp today. What? Ha 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 ha. Okay. Can I shoot you, Mr. Bubble Man? Let's loot him. Yeah, I got some bubbles. Lady, look at my face. Oops. Loot. Got you now. Lady, look at my face. Oopsie. Thank you. You too. Hey, person. Oopsie. Loot you. Hey, I shoot you in the butt. In the butt. Oops. Long face. Why the long face? This is great. This is great. Let's go to Krusty Krab. Wanna shoot Krusty Krabby? I want to shoot Mr. Krab. Let's go to the kitchen. Here he is. Oh, it's the robot. Ravioli. What do you want? He's a robot. Give me the formula. Oh, it's like plankton crab. Okay, somebody's here. Oh, the real Mr. Krab. Say goodnight. What the hell was that? We just killed Mr. Krab. This is crazy. Okay, let's see if we can kill Plankton. What? Flying Dutchman. Oops. I'm gonna kill you finally, Flying Dutchman. Yeah, look at me. Oh, we got some double-uns. I don't know what is that. Let's kill the Mr. Plankton. Can you open the door? Why can't go in? Yo, what it, lady? Yo, interrupting me. We can't go in. Where is Sandy? I want to kill Sandy too. Somebody left here a bun. Oops. I'm here. No, it's not working. So you're dead. What is my purpose in life now that everybody is dead? You want the formula. What is this? What is this? Skulls? What is this? Give me the formula. Where is it? Where is the formula? Somebody put so much effort in this game and this is pretty crazy, you know? Like, Okay, let's see if the formula is in your office. We can't talk with him anymore because he's dead. I don't think that we have anything else to... Stop! What is that noise? Okay, here is Sandy's house. Let's try to go in. Yeah. Sandy, where are you? Oh! Hello. Howdy, SpongeBob. Borrowing up some things in my lab. What things? I'll show you soon, but you can't hear. You wouldn't want to see what we did to what? Earl's back in Texas? What? God. It was terrible. Okay, that's it? Are we done here? Bargain. What is this? Oh, it's the... I forgot your name. Where is your friend? Shut up. I'm not talking with anybody, I'm just killing everybody. This is great. Okay, so, oh, this is your partner, yeah. Let's talk with him. Evil. Okay, Mermaid. I don't remember his name. Okay, we are done here. It was crazy stupid. Citizens of Bikini Bottom. Shut up. You're all... I need like a better gun. What is that? Shut up. Okay, I think that we are done here. I don't know what left to do here. We kill every citizen here. What is this? What is this? Where is Patrick, by the way? Before we are done, I have to see Patrick. Where is he? Anyone saw Patrick? Crazy Star, where is he? What the hell is this? What is this? That's... Okay, I think that I'm done here. I almost forgot to kill Mr. Squidward. Let's see if he's home. It's locked. Patrick? Oh, hello. Hello. Goodbye. Oops. Sorry about that.